Welcome to week 6, Tuesday. We are still in our keto mode. We will do a goat stew today. So what we need for the goat stew are some goat meat. We have some onions which are diced. We have some mushrooms which are diced. Celery diced. Carrots rounds, minced garlic, tomato paste. We have 2 types of herbs here, rosemary and thyme, and about 6 cups of chicken stock. So we'll brown the meat first, and then we'll add to that the mushrooms. And once the mushrooms are cooked, then we will add the mirepoix, which is the onions, the carrots and the celery. Cook it, and then we'll add the aromatic, that is garlic, and then we will add a little bit of tomato paste, which will give it that color, and then the sautéed goat meat and the herbs go in, and the last is we put the stock in and cook it for about an hour. So let's start cooking. Placed a cast iron pan over medium-high heat. We'll put in 2 tablespoons of olive oil. So you can see the pan is hot. And then we will fry the goat meat in batches. We'll put some pepper and some salt. We'll fry till it's golden, and then we'll fry it on the other side, and we'll take it out. We'll put the next batch in, and then once both the meats are cooked, then we will start with the frying of the mushrooms. You can see I've turned it over. One side is brown. I'll brown this side and remove it from it, and then I will put the second batch in. The meat has been cooked. So we will add to the same pot the mushrooms, and we'll fry this till it's crispy. So mushroom has a lot of water, so don't add water if you want to crisp it up. Don't add salt if you want to crisp it up. So this should take just a few minutes. The mushrooms are done. So we'll add the mirepoix. So onions. So that's 1 onion chopped. That's about 2 sticks of celery or stalks of celery. And the carrots. At this point, we'll add a little bit of salt and pepper and let it soften. the vegetables are soft, at this point we'll add the garlic. Cook for a few seconds, about maybe 30 seconds till it's fragrant. Then add the tomato paste. So when you add the tomato paste, it acts with the heat, reacts with the heat, and it creates that brownish color. At this point, I want to add a little bit of soy sauce. This is not part of the recipe, but it will give it that extra umami flavor. So just maybe a tablespoon or so. At this point, we'll add the thyme and the rosemary. We'll add the meat back along with all the juices that have come out. This is smelling awesome at this point. So as you can see, it has already started to give off that a little bit of brown color. Now we'll add the stock and bring it up to a boil. I want to taste to make sure that there is enough salt in here. A little bit more, and then we can certainly adjust once it's cooked. Maybe a little bit of pepper. Now the stew has come to a boil. We will lower the heat and we'll cook it for an hour. It's about an hour and this is done, so I will shut it off. So as you can see, we want a little bit of stew in there. Everything is cooked, and I checked the seasoning. The seasoning looks good. So let's go and serve. The stew is done. So to serve it, you just put it into a bowl. This is hot, so be very careful. So that's how I like to serve it. that's it for tonight. Thank you for watching, subscribing, sharing, and liking my posts. Many of you have mentioned that you are cooking my recipes and you like it. So thank you. Please keep informing me, telling me, how you do it, and post some pictures. Have a great day and bon appetit. See you tomorrow.